Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, the first one of 2019. Nothing better to start the year with a new device to unbox and review. If this is your first time in my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell to receive all notifications. Today my video is all about iPad Pro. Nothing that you didn't know already because of the title, right? I'll be doing the unboxing of the pencil first and then the iPad. I always liked to open Apple boxes because it looks so perfect, but you will see me struggle with the iPad case though. Here we have the pencil. My pencil came with engraving because I thought it would be cool. I already had one iPad Air for 5 years and at that time I didn't ask for engraving, so now this would be the one. So I just ordered it with the engraving in the pencil, but also the iPad. It's so pretty, right? iPad Pro was a gift for myself. I really wanted one for some time, and when I saw the last version coming out with the bigger screen and the features of the new pencil, it just caught my eye in the moment. Since I usually am more time outside than inside my house, I thought that having an iPad with these characteristics would still help me being creative. Let's just be realistic. My Cintiq has 25 kilos with stand included and I can't go outside with it. The iPad and the pencil came with my personal name and also my artistic name. So you'll see Kiara17 in both and then you have my name. It was a free feature, so why not, right? Okay, the struggle to open the iPad is real. Why can't I open this? Do you have the same difficulty as me? And finally, the iPad is so slim, and I think the engraving is perfect. It goes perfect with both, right? I know that this is not much, but I'm really happy with it. Since I don't like the iPad without case, I bought one before the iPad arrived, to be prepared when it came. If you want to know which one I bought, just check the link below. I bought it at Amazon. The case has a place for the pencil, but it's also possible to charge while using the iPad. That was what I was looking for. And I also wanted a transparent case to see the engraving on the back of the iPad. So this case had everything and I am pretty happy with it. I think it's pretty handy. And of course it's blue because it's my favorite color. The iPad has the dimensions of the screen a bit bigger than the other ones, so I really like that feature. Some of the apps are not yet okay with those dimensions, but probably it will be. Here I'm trying to put it inside and I don't want to break anything, but I think it looks perfect. Now let's do the review, with the best part, that it's drawing. I am going to use the app Procreate. I have it for 5 years now, but the times I used it before it was with my finger. There was not Apple Pencil at that time yet, so I never liked it very much, so I didn't use it very much either. But now I have the best to use it. So when I was recording this little video and you just saw it in the screen, I started using the iPad and the pencil was not working, so it was not recognized by the iPad. So I just had to place it on the top to connect and accept the pencil, and that's just it. Usually you don't need to do this every time unless you turn off the Bluetooth. Usually the iPad recognizes and it's super fast, you don't have any problem with it. Something I also noticed is that the pencil charges super fast. So yesterday I used it and it was 0%, and in 2 minutes it was 7%. So you don't have to charge it for a very long time until using it. What's great. But I think my favorite feature on this new Apple Pencil is that when you tap twice on the tip, you change from the brush to the eraser or from the eraser to the brush. And I will show you right now. Do you see the color on the brush and the eraser changing on Procreate? This saves a lot of time. How cool is that? Know better the brushes yet? So I didn't do a complicated drawing for this review. It's just a simple sketch, and I used a brush that reminds of a pencil. But I still hope you can understand a bit about iPad and the pencil and also Procreate. And if you have doubts to buy one or you have any questions, you can just ask me on the comments below. I had some questions I wanted to be answered when I was trying to get one. Before the new iPad Pro came out, I talked with some artists that already had one to be sure what I wanted to buy. So if you have any question and you want it to be answered, just do it please. I will help you. Comparing to my Cintiq, because I also do digital, this is not my first time doing it, I can compare a bit with Cintiq, right? So the precision is pretty good on iPad and it's very similar to Wacom in my opinion. The fact that you can also use the shortcuts to turn around and zoom the picture is also a thumbs up. The weight of the pens are pretty similar in my opinion. I just think the Apple Pencil is super thin comparing to the Cintiq that is more bulky. Sometimes it slips, but nothing of a big deal to me. I think I'm just not used to it yet. I think if you have a question about buying iPad or Cintiq, both of them are good. I think the only thing that depends of choosing is the price and maybe the size of the screen too. So I hope this video is helpful to some of you, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye!